Alright, here we go. The iPad 10th generation in blue. First off, the box is nice, as always. Minimal, no extra noise, just a product. Simple, straightforward, that peel, satisfying. Okay, moment of truth. Let me lift it out. Wow, it's light. Let's peel this. That smooth paper pull tab sounds never gets old. And the camera bump is subtle, nothing crazy. There we go, Apple logo, always a nice little moment. Matte finish feels smooth, not slippery but clean. The bezel actually look balanced. And I like the front camera in landscape now. That makes so much more sense for the video calls. Blue aluminum frame against the black display looks clean, very minimal. Good for browsing, note-taking, media, maybe some light editing. Now, inside the box, we've got the usual paperwork, hello card, quick start guide, USB-C cable, nice. Finally, USB-C standard here, and the power adapter. Honestly, this feels like a sweet spot iPad. Not too pro, not basic either. Just everyday capable. And the color, yeah, I'm glad I chose blue. It's subtle, but different enough to stand out. Awesome. Let's set this up and see how it feels in hand once it's running.